with a tank top on them. Doing whatever, get the money, homie. Smoking a blunt, got the trap going. Pockets fat like rich, homie. Being a boss like dog count hundreds. Ain't no playing around with you broke niggas. I don't want no wait, I just want my figure. I want every crumb, yeah, I want my benches. Trap at the door, I gotta get that. Racks on my hand, I get that. Trap and span, had to gain shit. Blunt so sweet, had to taste it. These little niggas still on the broke shit. Can't hang with us cause we too lit. Drink out the bottle like rich kids. Get crunk, Lil John, who with it? Get the bread, then I'm gone, I shit it. Sippin' train juice, yeah, I'm on, bitch. What the fuck you thought, little bitch? T-baby gang, we with the shit. It costs for a slice or a sip. How much you got if you legit? Go in his mouth if he get slick. Get back and yeah, we back, snitch. You a hoe and you scary click. Never too impressed for this. When I start, it's gonna be mess. I got two special guests, now we can party, bitch. Yeah, it's over, take a risk, take a shot, I don't miss. Homicide they coming with, check the status of one bitch. Check the status of one bitch. Yeah, you playing, but you gon' be the one taking that hit. Check the status of one bitch. Check the status of one bitch. Yeah, you playing, but you gon' be the one taking that hit. Walking around with a tank top on them. Doing whatever, get the money, homie. Smoking a blunt, got the trap going. Pockets fat like rich, homie. Being a boss like dog count hundreds. I ain't playing around with you broke niggas. I don't want no wait, I just want my figures. I want every crumb, yeah, I want my benches. Walking around with a tank top on them. Doing whatever, get the money, homie. Smoking a blunt, got the trap going. Pockets fat like rich, homie. Being a boss like dog count hundreds. I ain't playing around with you broke niggas. I don't want no wait, I just want my figures. I want every crumb, yeah, I want my benches.